Unlocking the secret of silence. Stay mum about it, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, stay mum about it. This phrase is a gem in English conversations, especially when secrecy or discretion is involved. Let's unravel its meaning, use, and origins together, making sure you can confidently use it in your own conversations. Stay tuned. Stay mum about it is an idiomatic expression in English that means to keep something a secret or not to disclose information. The word mum here has nothing to do with mothers. Instead, it's an old word that means to be silent or not speak. When someone tells you to stay mum about it, they're asking you to keep the information to yourself and not share it with others. The term mum as a call for silence dates back to the Middle Ages. It is derived from the Middle English word mum, which signifies silence and is thought to be imitative of the sound made when one's mouth is closed. The phrase, stay mum, has been used in English-speaking countries for centuries to convey the importance of keeping certain information secret, showcasing its long-standing role in the language. Using stay mum about it is straightforward. Here are a few examples to help you understand its application. If you're planning a surprise party for a friend, you might say, everyone, remember to stay mum about the party. We don't want her to find out. After a meeting where sensitive information was discussed, a colleague might remind you, please, stay mum about what was discussed today. It's confidential. This phrase is perfect for situations where discretion is crucial, and you want to emphasize the importance of secrecy. While stay mum about it is widely understood in English-speaking countries, it's interesting to note that other cultures have their own versions of this expression. Discussing these can enrich your understanding of how different cultures value secrecy and discretion. However, the core idea remains the same: the importance of keeping certain information confidential. Understanding and using phrases like, stay mum about it, can add a layer of sophistication to your English conversations, especially in contexts requiring discretion. We hope this exploration has shed light on this intriguing expression and encouraged you to use it when the moment calls for silence. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, sometimes the power of language lies in knowing when to stay silent. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language.